Hi, I'm Shawna Coronado. Welcome to Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Today I'm going to teach you how to lighten your load. Sometimes a container garden is impossible to move, it's just too heavy. By planting the smart way from the very beginning, you're able to move the container around. Look at how much plant there is at the top and only a little root at the bottom. What that means is you don't need a large planting zone. You only need about 12 inches. More than that is just a waste. So fill your containers with recyclables in the bottom of the container, put your soil mix in the top 12 inches, and that's the easy solution. This garden has French Marigold, Sneezeweed Dakota Gold, Easy Wave White Petunia, Hypoestes White Splash, and this Juncus Twister. And I noticed that the Juncus Twister is not getting as big as it should. I fertilized it, I mixed in the proper soil combination. My solution, let's move it into the sunshine. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me for Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips, how you can move your container all season long.